All right. So we finally got our new shocks in. We went with a set of Penske race shocks. We talked to them. They built these shocks just for this car. We gave them the weight, the specs, everything off the car. It's valved for no prep, small tire racing. We're gonna unbox these and see what they look like. These are the shocks that we had on the car, which are good shocks, AFCO double adjustables, but they were a 6-inch stroke shock and wasn't giving us enough travel downwards, enough squat to help transfer the weight to the back of the car. So like I said, we got a little bit longer shock. We ordered these from Penske. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So as you can tell, now we're going to have about 2 more inches of travel. So should we have between about 8.5 inches of travel on these shocks to get this car where we need to get. This is just one more step in the equation of turning this car from a bracket race index car to a no prep back of the track street race car. So we are going to be installing these bad boys. These are the Penske 8300 drag shocks. We opted, instead of having the remote canister off to the side, we opted for the ones that the canisters are built onto the shock. So like I say, these are double adjustables also, but they're going to give us about 2 more inches of travel from what we have. We're able to get to the lower mount on the shock, so the car's going to sit the same in the back. We're just going to be able to squat it down a little bit more than what we had. We have a different spring rate. These were 110-pound springs, but they're only a 12-inch spring, where these are 110-pound springs. These are a 14-inch spring. So like I say, we got a little bit more travel. We're going to be putting these on here in just a second, so we'll make a video of that. So that's what we got right now.